Hi PJ, hope you are doing well. So this is a short video I am creating, and in this video I will be answering couple of your questions. Like first thing, I will be explaining about this part that I've completed the work in this part, and I will be explaining that how exactly you can upload new videos or new posts in the press page. This is one, and the second question you asked was about the slider image. So the slider image size should be 1900 pixels in terms of width and 722 pixels in terms of height. So it should be, if I open the home page, it should be 1900 pixels in terms of this particular width is 1900 pixels, and the height, this particular height, it is 722 pixels. Okay, so this is the answer to your question which you asked over here. Now let me explain you what exactly has been done in this particular area. So now if we go into the wrap into the press page, you will see the first requirement was like you needed your logo to be added on each of the thumbnails or each of the posts that has been done. So the logo has been added. In some cases you will not be able to see the logo clearly, like here and here. That is basically because of the background image. Since the background image is white and the logo is also white, that's why it's not completely visible in some cases. Okay, so this thing has been done. I've also changed the overall way look of this page. Initially there were 4 videos in a row, now 3 videos are coming up in the row. And the other thing I have done is like I have changed the way in which the data in this particular page was added. Initially if I go into this page, I think so this is the page, this was the page, this is the press page, and initially you used to add the data in term like this, like using an HTML tag. uh, the image was added, the links were added in this format, so there was a lot of HTML code which I assume was little hard for you to add data this way. So what exactly I have done is like I have created a new template by the name of press in there. So now you don't have to do anything in this particular page or in this particular area. All you have to do is like you will have to go into your customize, and from customize you will be navigating to the press page. So I have created a separate section on your left. You will see a completely new section in term for the press page. So now if we click on the press page, you will see a completely new section here. So this section is the press section. So all you have to do, you will have to click in here, and these are your existing posts you have. So if I open one, here you can add a new image. This particular title can be added here, like if I remove it and if I write in my name, that thing will come in here. Okay, so let's do it like this. And the other thing is like if you are inserting a URL, like if you are adding a URL of some blog post or some third party website, you have to insert the URL in here. But if you are adding a video, then the video URL will go in this particular area. Like I think so there's some YouTube video in here, so the image will come here, the title will go here, and this particular post doesn't have any third party link of a third party website, so that has not been added, and the YouTube link will go here. So I again repeat, if you are adding a URL of some blog post, then like we have, I think so here, yeah, this is linked to a blog post, you have to add the URL in here. But if you are adding a video, then you will have to use the second input box which says where you will be adding the embedded link of the video. And the way in which you so in order to, let's assume now you want to add a new section in here, all you can do is like you will have to click on this add image slide. Okay, a new image slide will be added at the bottom here. And you can push and you can make it up and down, you can rearrange it according to your need. You can add an image here, like mm, for example this particular image, I'm just giving you an example. So the image will go in here, the heading will go in here, like if I add testing, the heading will go in here. And if you want this particular post to be redirected to a blog post, enter the URL of the blog post here. And if you want the URL to be of a video, then enter the URL of the video in here and save it. Now the way in which you can copy the URL of a video is like you will have to go into this share, go into the embedded code, and you will have to paste this particular URL. Okay, don't have to copy everything, just this URL you have to copy it and paste it there. So that's all has been done. Please review the video and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.